How to contact support on My Drama application. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you're wondering how to contact support on My Drama, then here's how you do it. Launch open the My Drama application on your phone or tablet and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're inside the home page after logging in, go ahead and click on Profile at the bottom right corner. After you're inside the profile section, go to the very bottom and tap on Contact Us. Now click on Contact Us once again in the pop-up. You'll then be taken to this email email service provider, from where you'll need to go ahead and enter your subject and then your message so that you can send in the email to My Drama Support. Just write down the subject. I'm just going to type in some random words over here. And now head over to the message box and then write down your correct message. You'll be able to see your user ID automatically pasted in. This is to recognize your account. Now go ahead and clearly describe your problem in the chat box. Add details like screenshots if possible. Include your account info if needed, but it's already been pasted in, so you don't have to do that no more. After typing down your message, you can then send in the message by clicking on this little send button at the top right corner. And right there, you will be able to contact your support team with an email. So that's it. Contacting support on My Drama app is pretty straightforward once you know where to look. Now you can get help whenever you need it and get back to enjoying your favorite dramas. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.